Hello kitty everyone, welcome to my channel guys. I'm going to show you on how I clean my phone and my earphone. So I have here alcohol and a tissue paper. I use tissue paper for cleaning my phones and earphone. So each phone you should use like one piece of tissue paper. Just rub all over the phone. So this is my tablet. We should do clean our gadget like phones and earphone so often so that to avoid germs and bacteria, because our gadget has a lot of bacteria. Sometimes we hold it like we don't wash our hands, so we must clean. So I'm gonna clean also the inside part or the back of the tablet. So I'm gonna remove this one. So here it is, and I'm going to clean the back of the tablet. Just use alcohol, but don't ever pour out your alcohol on your device or on your phone, otherwise it may ruin your gadget. Just pour it on the tissue paper or rather cotton if you have cotton. But I don't have cotton yet, so I use tissue paper, more better than the cotton. So I have to clean also the protector of the this tablet before putting. So make sure it's already dry. And this phone that I have here, this one is my old phone. I am going to clean also my old phone. Do this guys, pour on your alcohol on the tissue paper or cotton and rub it to your phone like this, front and back. Every surface of the phone must rub with alcohol on a tissue paper or cotton. But before we hold or we touch our gadget or our phone, we should wash our hand first. It already smells good. Okay, so guys, it's already done. And now I'm going to clean my earphone. So from the tips where I plug in, I'm going to clean first the tip of my earphone. This. But don't pull so hard of your earphone like this, otherwise the wiring inside will get ruined. Just pull it light. And also this one here, must clean thoroughly. And here, down to the ear, what do you call this one, earbud, or what is it called? Must clean this one. This one is for putting inside our ear, right? So this must be cleaned so properly. And also this one. So each earbud must use one piece of tissue paper. Don't mix. Okay, so it's already done. Oh, these are done already. My phones, my tablet, my earbud, so my earphone. So I use alcohol and a tissue paper.